Okie dokie. What's up everybody, I'm Bianca Marcus, as you people don't really know. Today, I thought, I haven't made a YouTube video. And I thought, I haven't made a video in like forever. So today, I'm going to discuss the wonderful rain that South Africa has been having. Don't get me wrong, I love rain. I love rain. Like, I don't know when last I saw the sun. Like, there's nothing wrong with the rain. I don't know, it's just like raining and raining and raining. It's like we're in Britain, but we're in Africa. It's a bit different. I know it's summer and all. Well, not anymore because now it's like cold. I love winter, which is nice. It's different to be in the rain so much, and with me, there's don't do very well in rain. It's like I have a white afro when it rains, so thanks water. But also the problem is potholes. Oh, God, I love potholes. Especially in our country, we just have them everywhere. So I found this really funny YouTube video. I know. This is the true South Africa.
Atención, mamá. Atención.
So, as you can see, us South Africans have taken advantage of potholes and decided to use them as swimming pools. Since many of us don't have swimming pools, I do, but lots of people don't have swimming pools, and so why not take advantage of swimming in the potholes in the rain? Because you know what? They're there for a reason, and I think our government decided to provide for us. And they said, people don't have swimming pools, so we will let the potholes get bigger, so when the rain comes, we can swim. So that's a problem. I've turned whiter than normal because there was no sun. As you can see, I'm wearing a white jersey thing. I'm wearing it because I can. I put makeup on so I don't look like a white ghost. I tried to take selfies today, and this is how they turned out. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to me if you want to. It's your choice, not mine. I'll just keep making videos, and you can watch it if you want to. Short people! Ciao!